Okay. For those people that don't know, we go by the microwave. Microwave.
Boy.
Oh, we have to do it right here.
Exclamation mark.
What are you gonna do?
Exclamation mark.
Okay. For those of you who don't know, we go by the name of Microwave.
Boys.
Exclamation mark. So for those people that don't know who we are internet sensations, as we've been labeled.
Wow.
That's what we've been labeled. I mean, and we got a show on YouTube, where we basically dissect what goes on with current affairs and things that we just basically find interesting, and people liked it, and now people know who we are. And, yeah. Who wants to add anything to that?
And then Larry, that was a good answer.
Thanks, bro.
Well, basically the whole idea behind Microwave Boys, or the name Microwave rather, was just to take.
Were you there?
You know.
Were you there?
Yo, right, I wasn't there. You should answer.
No, you're
Okay, no answer.
No, I don't know. I don't actually know.
Weren't you there?
He knows. I spoke to him.
The whole idea behind it is that, like you do with a microwave, where you just warm something up very quickly. That's how we wanted to deal with topics. Just take something that we find interesting, what's going on in the world, discuss it very quickly, in a sort of way, heat it up, take it from whatever it is, and then give our little take on it, and then that's it. It's done, and then we move on to the next thing.
Keep it hot.
Yeah.
Hot. That's what I have to say. It's keeping it hot.
Exclamation mark.
Nice echo.
Is there butter in pizza?
No.
Yeah, there is.
It's usually pizza based and then put the tomato.
Yeah. I think
and they start.
What ingredients?
Individually. I think Sipo brings like he brings all the toppings, like all the toppings, like he comes through with everything, with the pineapple, with the rib, with I like pineapple on
your pizza.
So I'm describing.
Larry, say pizza.
Like.
All right,
pizza.
Say pizza.
Pizza. I can't say it properly.
Larry has always called the pizza.
Okay, so I think I come with like the base, you know what I mean? Because most of the time I kind of introduce the topics, you know.
And I think I'm the box.
I think you're the cheese. You're the topping. You put the topping on everything.
cheese is very important.
Cheese. I like cheese.
It's
dairy products.
Yeah, I think you put the cheese. You're the cheese.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, and then Sipo comes through with all the toppings, like, you know what I'm saying? And then
oh shit! I'm the box and I package it.
You package exactly.
Fucking
See that?
Wow.
See that?
That's us. That's who. Yeah.
But definitely it's opened us up to like brands, of course. We've been lucky enough to work with several brands, which we wouldn't obviously had gotten the opportunity to without the show itself. So except Mr. Bill on here. But yeah, definitely that, and it's gotten us into better positions because we're all very passionate about the entertainment industry, and we're all very passionate about producing more shows and getting further than just YouTube, of course. So it's gotten us a foot in with I guess people in TV, if you can say, into conversations.
Yeah.
It's gotten us closer to conversations about other things that we want to do. So it's made certain things a little bit easier.
And I think also adding on to that, we also realize that some of even our simple ideas are really good ideas, you know what I mean? So we've decided to start putting together a lot more content, as he said. But for us, we just took a chance with it, literally, and it's led to this, and more doors are opening. I mean, we also get to inspire a lot of people because, as you can see, like a lot of other channels are coming out, and a lot of people are starting to realize that their ideas can turn into more than just ideas, you know what I mean? It doesn't. Inspirational. You know what I mean? So, yeah.
What a nonsense.
I know, I mean, you know. Guys, look at me, eh?
So
Look at this, guys. Look, I've even got to meet people like this, eh? Look at that. Ay. In the DMs, you get me?
who's that?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Oh. Isn't that someone's wife?
you see now.
Cut.
Yeah.
God.
In 2018, be like sensational content creators, independent content creators. So we want to do everything ourselves, but then create a lot more content. So stuff like Microwave Girls, I mean, now and then you have to like test an idea, test it.
Because we always need to have guests
for it to be
So and we're gonna do a lot more of that this year as well. We're gonna bring a lot more people into our space and try and share the platform like we did last year. We had Your Moshes, The Girls, Casper, I don't know.
And they had some cameos. Like
Yeah, they had a few. Yeah, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So we're definitely gonna have, because that opens us up
Jordan.
to more people. It opens up to more people. So collaboration is definitely what we want to do for 2018, and then taking all those little bubbling under ideas from 2017 and bring them to life.
Thank you.